My video guide will provide you with instructions that will help you to get rid of the unwanted browser extension called Save Tabs. So, Save Tabs is the unwanted extension for the Google Chrome browser. The developers of this extension indicate that you'll be able to get some beneficial features. For instance, to save current tab in a window for later use. Maybe this feature is helpful for some people, but the trouble is that in many cases this extension actually operates as adware. It may show a lot of advertisements not related to the sites that you visit. So, if this extension was mistakenly added to the Google Chrome browser, you should undertake the measures and get rid of it immediately. Access the menu of your Chrome, go to More Tools, choose Extensions. Then, if you find this extension, simply disable and remove it. To make sure that your computer is free of other possibly hidden threats, consider researching the system with Combo Cleaner Antivirus. The best solution and the best place to get it is on the page combocleaner.com. Download the software, install it, and start researching your device with its help. After you have successfully downloaded and installed Combo Cleaner Antivirus, make sure you click on Start Scan button. Initially, the program is in the trial mode, so only the quick scan option is so far available in the trial mode. The program most likely will first of all update its anti-malware database, and of course this is crucial for proper detection and removal of any malware, ransomware, adware or other infections. While the scanning by Combo Cleaner is taking place, please pay attention to several features in Combo Cleaner, such as anti-ransomware. This feature, for instance, allows to help you to add several folders that will always be protected against ransomware or malware attacks. At the end of the scanning, you will see the detailed summary of all the threats which were found on your computer. You will be able to know the names of all these threats, the locations of all these threats on your computer, and of course, based on that summary, you will be able to remove certain threats manually. However, we strongly advise that you consider upgrading to the premium license of Combo Cleaner Antivirus. This is the best way to remove any possibly hidden malware from your system and to keep your data always protected against any other possible malware attacks. So use Combo Cleaner Premium license to make sure your system is always under the defense against all contemporary threats.